Okay, we're taking a bracket out, which is very tight. We use the two jacks, we put it underneath, and that's how we're gonna pull out this from here, step by step, tight little by little. Yeah. Everything needs the patience. Just to take this arm bracket out. We're gonna machine it later, the sheave, but it's a simple, but you have to have the tools which require, otherwise you have to fight with the damn things a lot. Okay? Yeah, it's going slowly, but we're gonna take it out. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to our channel. Again, it's a deflector sheave. We're just gonna machine it. The grooves are not equal, and we're gonna equalize them. Thank you very much. Bye bye.